If you've been wanting to upgrade your graphics card for a while and you haven't looked at GPU prices in about 6 months, you might be a bit surprised and horrified. So, what's going on with graphics card prices? GTX 1080 Ti's are going for over $1,000 and RX 580s are selling for $500 and more. Well, to put it plainly, there's a big supply and demand issue. Over the past year, cryptocurrency mining has become a very popular way for people to earn some money, especially since mid-2017 with the explosion of Bitcoin. The caveat to cryptocurrency mining is that in order to be efficient, the user needs a powerful GPU. The popular graphics card choices for miners are the mid-range GTX 1060 and the RX 580. These cards provide the best price to calculation ratio, and because of this, they are in high demand. If you try to find an RX 580, most of them will either be completely out of stock or priced above $500. The supply of these cards simply isn't enough to meet the huge spike in demand. Okay, so if miners want the mid-range cards, why are the high-end cards also being affected? The answer to that really isn't that simple. Yes, cryptocurrency miners are also purchasing high-end cards, but the biggest explanation is simply the increased cost of materials. The desktop DDR4 memory shortage is also affecting other types of memory. Memory, specifically GDDR5 and GDDR5X, which is used in the GTX 1080 and 1080 Ti, is also in short supply. Memory production is being increased, but it won't be able to keep up with demand for a few more months. So, what's the solution? Well, at the moment, there really isn't much that can be done on the consumer side of things. The cryptocurrency market really is the biggest contributor to these inflated GPU prices, and unless currencies such as Ethereum crash, then graphics cards will be in short supply for a length of time that no one can really predict. On the other hand, manufacturing plants are ramping up production on different GPUs, and there is an expected flood of new GPUs to enter the market in the middle of this year. As for now, the only thing we can do is wait, unfortunately. When the cryptocurrency market declines, there will be a huge flood of used mid-range cards on the cheap, but when this happens is anyone's guess. If you're desperate for an upgrade, try looking around for used hardware or older hardware. It might not be new, but it will be powerful enough to hold you over until prices settle. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.